Nobody's talking about this, but a simple lip kit turned into a billion-dollar empire almost overnight? No factories, no traditional ads, just influence, timing, and strategy. This is the story of how Kylie Jenner built Kylie Cosmetics and the business lessons hidden behind the glam. Welcome to Kardonomics. Origin story. Before the brand, there was insecurity. Kylie Jenner was constantly criticized for her lips. Instead of hiding from it, she turned it into a product. In 2015, she launched the Kylie Lip Kit, a liquid lipstick and a matching lip liner. Simple, but powerful, because it wasn't just makeup. It was a solution to a problem people watched her go through in real time, and within minutes, it sold out. The viral strategy. Kylie didn't rely on ads. She was the marketing. She used her social media like a machine. Tease the product, show behind the scenes, announce a limited drop, then sell out fast, over and over again. This created urgency, scarcity, obsession. People weren't just buying lipstick, they were buying into Kylie. The business model. Here's where it gets interesting. Kylie didn't build a factory. She didn't handle production. She partnered with a manufacturer called Seed Beauty. That meant low costs, fast launches, high margins. She focused on what actually moved the needle: branding, attention, and demand. The big deal. Then came the power move. In 2019, Kylie sold 51% of Kylie Cosmetics to Coty for $600 million. That deal valued the company at around $1.2 billion. But this wasn't just about money. Coty brought global distribution, retail expansion, operational scale. Kylie brought the audience. Together, they built reach. The controversy. Not everything added up. Reports later questioned the company's true valuation. Forbes even challenged her billionaire status. And here's the lesson. Valuation is perception. It's based on potential, not just profit. Still, the impact of the brand was already undeniable. Evolution. After the deal, the brand evolved. More products, new categories, a shift toward skincare. Kylie expanded beyond makeup into a full beauty ecosystem. Did you know? Here's something most people don't realize. The early product shortages were intentional. Selling out wasn't a problem. It was the strategy. Even website crashes helped build hype, because when people can't get something, they want it even more. Now, here's what you can learn from this. Number 1. Turn insecurity into opportunity. The thing people criticize you for could be your business. Number 2. Build demand before supply. Don't just sell, create anticipation. Number 3. Leverage what you already have. Audience, skills, network, use it. Number 4. Start lean. You don't need everything figured out to begin. Number 5. Sell identity, not just product. People buy how something makes them feel. And finally, know when to scale with others. Partnership can multiply growth. Kylie Cosmetics isn't just a beauty brand. It's a blueprint for influence, for branding, and for modern wealth creation. Subscribe to Kardonomics, because the next breakdown, even bigger.